15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Naka juba right to information RTI la shem bakaladon kajing Pynkheiñ ka reservation policy habai day bat kurkom thungkam thungjam hakikam teaching but non teaching staff ha women's college Shillong but nakaliang ka new trap youth council HYC education cell hakakat pratrik jumang arjar punriu kala late banbu da kajing tho ha office trikam ka directorate of higher and technical studies DHTE ban pan jing pensai halor kani kaman Habakren sigilat thai kubon nakaliang ba enlang sawian education secretary uloong ba niki Tylli ki kam teaching but non teaching staff hakate ka college lalap batang Tylli la ai si ki Trai Jylla kat bai ki batampat la ai si ki wei pat ki jai ben riu ki bom de ki Trai Jylla kabala Pynkheiñ ya ki kendon ka reservation policy nolor kata uloong ru ba ka seng ka dawa balada ya kinu ki ba Pynkheiñ ki kendon ki de bonweng kam mardor ya ki
nila yo ban bu ekani ka jingtho haka office ng director of higher and technical education ni polam kra bayday bat ka issue ka bayday bat ka recruitment job sanction post ki po ka women's college kemudian ni polam kra anamar ba nakaliang jong ka sangkmi gilaw file ya ka RTI ban halo ka status jong kita ki Tylli ki sanction post ki ba control ka teaching but ka non teaching staff andrai ka hadin ba nakaliang jong ka sang gilalap lingba ka RTI lalong ba nagplank kita kilay Tylli ki sanction post ya lagi layo bagi candidate ki bleki kasi jan ka garu layo ki yo ban rung haka taka kita ki post teaching and non teaching staff tang arngut o tang laingut ras sangta la recruit ki wepat ki ki jet bring bring ki tribes but kanehi kala violate ya ka Meghalaya reservation policy but ngilawat we ka RTI ba kamsim don kanu ka roster ro kumbang iba ki department kadon ka reservation policy mah ba ban suturo ba kiniki ngikwaro ban suturo ban bertau ba kaniki ka women's college ka government aided college but kum kandam san procedure kiniki government aided college ki banyak limba ka provision jo ka Meghalaya reservation policy ndrai hadian ba nakaliang kasangi lalap ba kanika kibor pinjat jong ka college kim simila follow kita ka provision kum ta nakaliang jong kasang ilawan ban bu ya kanika jing tho ban panjing syai na ka office jong directorate of higher and technical education halor kanika mat but takasi ngilayo ban kendu ki join director kunju ki officer ndai marngi ayo banya phoni director ndrai number bi dan ki kam ki bomla ban aten akum tai la kertu ini ban kendu ki officer but ngilayo banya kran bat ya kli ki mo halor kanika daw bat kil nakalian jong kiru kila pensai ba haduk mentai ki dumla ban pensai number ba director im dan but kinsa late ban inquiry mo let's say ka don am kata ka Pynkheiñ kata ka Meghalaya reservation policy kabde bat kita ki recruitment process jong gini ki Tylli ki sanction post ang tiap women's college mana kalian kasangi dawa ba ka department ka dap lara kalap ki bor pinjat ka women's college ki Pynkheiñ ya kata ka reservation policy hapo kini ki Tylli ki sanction post kadai ban bang mardor bat lada ka nakalian jong bor pinjat la ni nakalian jong ka office ka badai pek but kabadai ban monitor halor kabadai bat ka recruitment process kimlei ai nakaliang kasang lesing sa simpat ki senja ban persa but ban simru kilinti boting ban pitikna baki bakta ki Tylli ki sanction post ki ban ledro ki dai banyat kat kum ka reservation policy nam ta ki candidate ki kasi jenta garu
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop ka shop plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khata ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya